Christine. I'm back with another video. Oh, hey. How y'all doing, my Mooka Buzz? Okay, so a lot of y'all have asked me, Justina, you talk about food, but how do you incorporate food in the bedroom? Y'all already know I'm finna tell y'all all the business. I'm finna tell y'all every food that I've incorporated and how to do it, and it's gonna be simple, sweet. First, OTD. I'm in my jams. I'm in my jams, baby. This is pajamas. I ain't, trying to debate if I want to go out tonight or not. I don't know. But anyway, okay, so the number one food, right? And there's gonna be a surprise one at the end. Please come back and tell me how that one. I don't know if y'all count ice as food, right? So we're gonna do. I do like a hot and cold combination, right? Okay, so the one thing that men are really sensitive to, when you're. And even when there is the warmth, right? Like the warmth is like their favorite part. So something that I do is like I'll keep ice cold water by me, or some warm like tea or something, and you could go from hot to cold. Like take some like ice cream, that's a cold food you can use, or some cold whipped cream, and then spread it like he a piece of bread, baby. Like he's some bread, and just spread it on now. All right, anyway, so spread it, and like okay, my bad. See, I play too much. So after you spread it on him, then you're gonna do that thing that I taught y'all to make y'all mouth warmer. The tongue exercises. I told y'all about that. Y'all don't listen. See, so I don't tell y'all nothing. I'm just kidding, man. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell at you. Okay, but no. So what you gonna do is. Oh, okay, my bad. Oh my God, this is what everybody means when they're ADHD. ADHD, ABCD, SMD. Okay, my bad. All right, no, but seriously. So ice cream or whatever, right? Cold whipped cream, put it on, right? And then do the exercises that I said to make your mouth warmer, and then put that on there. Like that. If you want to tease them, hover and huff a little bit. Okay, like, and then, because that's going to send the warmth, and then that's going to send the chills. Okay, yin and yang, baby. Yin and yang. Nah. Okay. So there's that. Another fun thing that I did one time. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie, this made this man crazy over me. Y'all know fruit roll-ups, not fruit by the foot. Fruit roll-ups. Those. Yes, you take that, wrap it around, and then slowly, it off. And like the more that you do, it's gonna be a little sticky. But who give a motherfucker everything a little shit? Oh. Okay, baby. I think that's the way to put a little bit of honey and just drizzle it on and lick it off. Okay, no, but for real. So, why she always judge? Yes, bitch. Like, do I judge you? No. The fuck? Okay, so fruit roll up. Now, as you're, getting rid of that, it's slowly gonna dissolve, and then it's gonna get closer and closer and closer to the actual thing, and it builds anticipation because he's gonna feel it getting like warmer and warmer and like closer and closer, and it's so hot. Yes, that shit's hot. That shit's sexy. You can't tell me that it ain't everything, baby. That's nice. And then, ooh, I'm rolling. Oh, I'm rolling. Why is the house crooked like that? Oh my God, wait. Look at this ghetto shit here. I can't. Why the fuck? Okay, wait. Okay, next food. Pop rocks. Also, this is information men and women can use. Pop rocks, okay? You know what Pop rocks are? Pop rocks is like the little Rice Krispie treat version of the candies. Okay, you put the Pop rocks in your mouth, and there's like, it's doing all that. Put that in your mouth while you get, and then he's gonna feel all types of snack, crackle, pop Rice Krispies, baby, and he gonna be saying it like. Cause I don't know what the fuck. Now don't do that one on a girl. No, don't do that on a girl. That shit hurts. I'm dead ass. Do not do that. And if you are gonna put any of this stuff on a girl, make sure you lick it completely off, cause you don't want to throw off her pH balance, baby. I don't want that. Because then she ain't even gonna trust you near her Kit Kat, baby, and that's not nice. You don't want that like that. I swear to God, baby. And then, guys, don't worry, I'm almost done. So, okay, so we did the hot, the cold, we did the ice, we did the tea, right? We did the ice cream, we did the Cool Whip, and we did the Pop Rocks, and we did the fruit. Not the, what the fuck is that called? The fruit roll up. Not the fruit by the foot, guys. Not the long one. The little square. Okay? Now, another one. Syrups. Syrups. Strawberry, chocolate. You could also do caramel syrups, right? So if you want, you could do like a little surprise, right? For dessert. I did this one time. That's what I'm going to tell you how it is. Okay, so the one time, right, like this is my boyfriend at the time. When I tell y'all, I made him the most banging meal ever. It was like a 3-course meal. So there was like appetizer and then like, you know, dinner and then dessert, right? Little did he know, my sexy ass was the dessert. Are you hungry, baby? Because I got the meal right here. I'm going to sit it on the, put it on the plate. Okay, sorry. And then, oh my God, out, bitch. Okay. Ooh, y'all saw that jiggle. Jiggle. Okay, that's not, nope. What did... Act like you pay a bill up in here. You better cut that out. But you want a bill, I'll give you one. Okay, sorry, my bad. I get distracted. Syrups, okay. Hot fudge. No, you can use that. Just a little drip, baby. Anyway, so I was like, yeah, I'm the dessert. So I made him a big dinner, right? And then after, I like to tie my man up. You already know I like to do that. You already know I like to do that. You know what I'm saying? And then, but I did it on a chair. Like, he was sitting on a chair, and I like tied his arms up behind the chair like this. And then I took the blindfold off, and then I put different types of syrups and stuff, right? And I'm gonna be like, and I was like, okay, so for every I'm fucking crazy, y'all. I was like, okay, so for everything you taste and guess right, that's how many times I'm gonna make you finish. That's how true it is. Like, that's how many times I'm gonna make you finish. Yep, amen. Okay. And I love y'all so much, my Mooka Butts. Do stuff like that. That's how you keep it spicy in the bedroom. That's how you keep your relationship interested. That's how you do all that, baby. I love y'all, my Mooka Butts, and I'll see y'all in my next video.